Hello everyone, today we will start exercise 12.3. Okay, this is very easy exercise of this chapter. Okay, now first one, if m is equal to 2, okay, find the value of m minus 2. Only you have to substitute the value of m in these expressions. Okay, see first one, m is equal to 2 means 2 minus 2, this will become 0. Okay, so this is first answer. Here put the value of m is equal to 2 in this expression. 3 into 2 minus 5. Okay, so this is equal to 6 minus 5 and that is 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Here 9 minus 5 into 2. Okay, this is equal to 9 minus 10 and 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now here 3 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 7. Okay, and this is 3 into 2 square, 2 to the 4 minus 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 7, 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 4 and minus 11, that is minus 4 and minus 7, that will become minus 11. 12 minus 11, that is 1. Okay, so the answer is 1. Last part, 5 into 2 upon 2 minus 4, this is equal to 2 cancel, 5 minus 4, it will become 1. Okay, so the answer is what? 1. Okay, everyone understand whole exercise you have to do only this much. Only you have to put the value, okay, of variables and find the value of equation. Okay, come to the next part. Second part is also very easy. So p is equal to minus 2. Find the, if p is equal to minus 2, find the value of these three. Okay, so substitute p is equal to minus 2 in this expression, means 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Okay, 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8 plus 7, this will become minus 1. Okay, here minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Okay, minus 3 minus 2 whole square, that will become 4, means minus 3 into 4. Okay, here plus 4 to the 8, means minus 8, minus 2 is there, plus 7. Here minus 12 plus minus minus 8 plus 7. Okay, here minus 12 minus 8, this will become minus 20 plus 7, this will become minus 13. Okay, so this is your answer. Here next one, minus 2 into what? P. What is the value of p? Minus 2 whole cube minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Okay, now minus 2 into 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8 and minus 1 whole cube, that will become minus, means minus 8. Okay, here minus 3 into minus 2 whole square, that will become 4. Here plus 4 into minus 2, this will become minus 8 plus 7. Okay, 8 to the 16, minus 2 minus 8 plus 16, here minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. Okay, 16 minus 12, 4 minus 8 plus 7 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. So the answer is 3. Okay, so question number 2 completed. Come to the next one, question number 3. Very easy, same procedure you have to do, only put the value of what? See here, find the value of the following expression when x is equal to minus 1, means you have to put x is equal to minus 1 in this expression. Okay, 2 into minus 1 minus 7, 2 into minus 1, this will become minus 2, minus 7 minus 2 minus 7, that will become minus 9. Okay, this is x plus minus x plus 2. Okay, not z. Here x, value of x, that is minus 1 plus 2. Okay, here minus minus plus means 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Come to the next one, x square plus 2x plus what? 1 minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole square plus 1, 2 into what? Minus 1, that will become minus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, the answer is 0. Here substitute x is equal to minus 1 in this expression, 2 into minus 1 whole square minus minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 1 minus minus plus plus 1 minus 2, 2 plus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0, and 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, so the answer is 1. Come to the next one. If a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2, then find the value of a square plus b square. Put a is equal to what? 2, 2 square, and b is equal to minus 2 square. Okay, 2 square, 4. Here minus 2 square, also 4, 4 plus 4, that is 8. Next one, put a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2 in this expression. 2 square plus 2 into b is minus 2 plus minus 2 whole square. Okay, 2 square, 4, 2 into minus 2, that will become what? Minus 4 plus 4. Okay, 4 minus 4, 0, and 0 plus 4, 4. So, okay, so the answer is 4. Next one is a square minus b square. Okay, so a is minus 2 whole square, and sorry, a is plus 2. Okay, and b is minus 2 whole square, 2 square, 4 minus 2 square, that will also become 4, 4 minus 4, that is 0. So the answer is what? 0. Value of a is 2 and value of b is minus 2. Okay, now come to the next question, question number 5. So the question number 5 is, when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1, find the value of the given expression. Means only you have to put the value of a and b. Okay, and what is a? A is 0 and b is minus 1. Okay, 2 into 0, 0, plus 2 into minus 1, this will become minus 2, 0 minus 2, that will become minus 2. Okay, so the answer is minus 2. Here a is equal to 0, 0 whole square, 0 square is 0, plus minus 1 whole square plus 1, 2 into 0, 0, minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus 1, this will become plus 2. Okay, so the answer is plus 2. Next one, 2 into 0 whole square minus 1 plus 2 into 0 into minus 1 whole square plus 0 into minus 1. Okay, so here 0 square 0 and 0 into any integer, that will become 0. Here also plus 0, here also 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Next one, 0 a, what is the value of a? 0, 0 square plus 0 into minus 1 plus 2. Okay, 0 square 0, 0 into minus 1, 0 plus 2. Okay, so the answer is plus 2. Okay, see, this is very easy, only you have to put the value and solve it. Come to the next one. Next question is, simplify the expression and find the value if x is equal to 2. Means what you have to put? Value of x 2. Okay, so substitute x is equal to 2 in this expression. Okay, is 2 plus 7 plus 4, 2 minus 5. Okay, 7 plus 2 or 2 plus 7, 9 plus 4 into 2 minus 5 minus 3. Okay, so 9 plus 4 into minus 3, 4 3 are 12, minus 12. Okay, and 9 minus, that is minus 3. See, I just put the value of x in this expression only. Okay, but this is not the correct way. You have to see in the question, what in the question it is asking, simplify the expression. Okay, first you have to simplify the expression. Now see how to solve it. See, x plus 7 plus 4x minus 20. Okay, x plus 4x, x plus 4x minus 20 plus 7, that is minus 13. Okay, x plus 4x, that is 5x minus 13. Now put the value of x in this expression. 5 into 2 minus 13, 10 minus 13, that will become minus 3. So this is the right way to solve it. Okay, don't solve like this. Okay, first you have to simplify the expression and find the value of x is equal to 2. Now see how to do. First simplify this expression. 3x plus 3 into x and 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 5x minus 7. Okay, 3x plus 5x plus 6 minus 7. 3x plus 5x, that is 8x, here minus 1. Now substitute x is equal to 2. Okay, substituting x is equal to 2 in x minus 1, we get 8 into 2 minus 1, this becomes 16 minus 1, so the answer is 15. Okay, everyone, I think got it. First you when you put directly, the answer will come same. If you put directly x is equal to 2 in this expression, the answer will also become same. See here minus 3 is coming and here also minus 3 is coming. Okay, but in this question, first we have to simplify the expression. After that you put the value of x in that expression. Okay, so hope everyone got it. Next one. Okay, that is 6x plus 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 2, minus 10. Okay, so 6x plus 5x, this will become 11x minus 10. Now put substituting x is equal to 2 in 7x minus 10, we get 11 into 2 minus 10. 11 to the 22 minus 10, this will become 12. Okay, so the answer is 12. Okay, last part of question number 6. 4 into 2x, this will become 8x. 4 into minus 1, minus 4, plus 3x plus 11. 8x plus 3x minus 4 plus 11. 8 plus 3x, 8x plus 3x, this will become 11x. And 11 minus 4, that is 7. Okay, now substituting x is equal to 2 and 11x plus 7, we get 11 into 2 plus 7. Okay, and this will become 22 plus 7, 29. Okay, 22 plus 7, that will become 29. So this is the answer. Okay, so come to the next question. Before going to next question, question number 7 is there. This is your homework. Okay, same procedure, only you have to put the values and solve it. Okay, now come to the question number 8. If z is equal to 10, find the value of what? Z cube minus 3 in bracket z minus 10. Okay, now substitute z is equal to 10 in this equation. Okay, 10 cube minus 3, 10 minus 10. Okay, 10 cube means what? 1000 minus 3, 10 into 10, 0. Okay, so 1000 minus 3 into 0, this will become 0, not 10,000, this is 1000. Okay, 10 cube 1000. Okay, 1000 minus 3 into 10 minus 10, this will become 0, and here 1000 minus 0, this will become 1000. Okay, so the answer is 1000. Okay, only you have to put the value. Okay, 10 cube 1000. Now next one, p is equal to minus 10. If p is equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. Okay, so put p is equal to minus 10 in this expression, minus 10 whole square. Okay, minus 2 into minus 10. Okay, minus 100 minus 10 whole square, this will become 100, minus 2 into minus 10, this will become plus 20 minus 100. Okay, so 100 minus 100, this will become 0, and 0 plus 20, this will become 20. So the answer is what? 20. Okay, very easy. This whole exercise is very easy. Okay, only you have to put the value in the expression and find the value of given expression. Okay, come to the question number 9. What should be value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5? Okay, when x is equal to 0? Good question. Here what should be value of a? You have to find the value of a. If so, solution, what is given? Given that 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5, and second thing, what is given? When x is equal to 0. Okay, so substituting x is equal to 0 in 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5, we get, now put it, 2 into x square means 0 square plus x value, what? 0 minus a is equal to 5. Okay, now 2 into 0 whole square. Okay, 0 whole square, what will come? 0. 2 into 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5, means 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. It's mean what? Minus a is equal to 5, but you have to find the value of a. Okay, so here what? You multiply both side by minus 1, or simply you put this side, this will become what? Here what will become? 0 is equal to 5 plus a. Okay, minus a, go this side, this will become plus a. Now here a, only a is equal to, okay, put a here only, and 5 will go this side, then this will become minus 5. Okay, so the value of a is minus 5. Okay, Hope everyone understand. One more method is there. Suppose minus a is equal to 5. We have to what? Find the value of minus a. Okay, multiply minus 1 both side. 5 into minus 1. Here minus 1 into minus a, this will become a, and 5 into minus 1, this will become minus 5. So here also a is equal to minus 5 is coming. Here also a is equal to minus 5 is coming. Okay, come to the last one. Very good question. Simplify the expression. See here first you have to simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. Okay, so simplify it. 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Okay, so 2a square plus 2ab minus ab plus 3. Here 2a square 2ab minus ab plus ab plus 3. Okay, so this is simplest form of this equation. Now put the value of a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3 in 2a square plus ab plus 3. Okay, now 2 into a 5 whole square plus 5 into b minus 3 plus 3. 5 square 25. Okay, 5 plus 5 into minus 3 minus 15 plus 3. Okay, 25 to the 50, and here minus 15 plus 3, this will become minus 12. Okay, 50 minus 12, this will become 38. Okay, so the answer is 38. Okay, now this exercise is over here. Okay, on my next video we will start exercise 12.4, but you first see exercise 12.4, that is good exercise. Okay, first you see. Okay, after that I will tell how to solve it. If you have any query, ask in the comment box. Thank you.